Hello and welcome to Nolan School of Motoring. In this video tutorial we will be looking at pulling up on the left and moving off safely. On your driving test you will be required to pull up on the left at least 4 times. 2 normal stops, 1 moving off at an angle and 1 moving off on a hill. The driver has been asked to pull up on the left in a safe and convenient place. Convenient means don't pull up in front of somebody's driveway, and safe means don't make the road narrow. When you're asked to move off, take your time. Confirm that all necessary safety checks, such as using mirrors and checking blind spots, are performed before moving off. This includes signalling appropriately if needed. Move off smoothly without stalling, rolling back, or losing control. If you stall, settle down, restart your vehicle and conduct your safety checks again. You will only receive 1 minor from moving off. The driver has been asked to pull up on the left on a hill. This is a more demanding place to move off. It's important to give yourself more time to move off safely. Most new vehicles are fitted with a hill assist. Remember your training when using this system. If your vehicle is not fitted with this system, then use your handbrake to assist you in moving off so you don't roll back. The key to this maneuver is taking your time. In our final clip, again, the driver is asked to pull up on the left. This time you will need to move off at an angle. It's important not to get too close to the car in front when you are focusing on your observations. Think about how much rotation of your steering wheel will be required before you move away. I hope you found this video useful and please subscribe for more videos.